Why am I doing this exactly? I want to deep fry some egg yolks. Beer battered egg yolks. And I know that if I just drop an egg yolk into boiling oil, it'll be solid before the time the crust is golden brown. So I want to freeze them. And I got this little silicone mold. It's very flimsy. Much more flimsy than I thought, but it should work okay. Yeah. If you want egg yolks to freeze and thaw properly, you have to add either sugar or salt to them. Otherwise, the proteins congeal and you get like a jelly substance. We're gonna try 4 yolks. 4 yolks and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, because this is a savory dish. Our egg yolks have been freezing overnight. Let's see if we can get them out of this silicone mold, and then we'll put them back in the freezer while we heat the oil and make the batter. Here we go. It's perfect. Look at that. Look, they're so cute. Oh, I love them. Okay, see? I want to dust these egg yolks with a little flour as well. What did I do? Where are the spoons? I've got tons of spoons and I don't know where they are. Let's start with this baby. The oil was 350 and I left them in just until they got toasty brown. Oh yes. Oh yes. Look at that. Oh, they're perfect. That's perfect. Take a bite. Let's take a bite. Oh, it's freaking delicious. Freaking delicious. Oh. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. I could eat a bucket of these. Let's try another one. Oh, yeah. Oh, hey. Oh, they are so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is so yummy. watching.